Style lovelies, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Style by AJ. If you've just seen my face for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, and on this channel I focus on content around fashion, beauty, and of course lifestyle. I'm now getting into vlogs, right? So I hope you'll enjoy my content and choose to subscribe and stay put. And if you've been coming on my channel, thank you so very much. You are the real MVP. So on today's video is one that I have never done on my channel before. I've been meaning to do content like this on beauty, strictly on beauty. So today's video is in partnership with Online Makeup Academy. Online Makeup Academy is based in New York City, and I was so excited when they reached out to me for this collaboration. Okay, so before I proceed, I'm just going to give you a brief background of what Online Makeup Academy is all about. Like I mentioned earlier, Online Makeup Academy is based in New York City. It's an actual makeup school where you can actually go to have, in-person makeup classes. Yes, and also you can choose to do the virtual part, which is what I, actually took, right? So for me, that was the catch, because at this time, based on my schedule, it wasn't feasible for me to actually go in person school. And because a lot of things are remote right now, virtual makeup academy is just the best thing for anyone to do at this time. So like I mentioned, they offer an in-person makeup classes, like you can, if you're actually based in New York or if you're outside of New York, because they accept people from all walks of class. Any country you're in can actually take this course. You can do it online, and you don't have any pressure to finish this class within, say, a month, 2 months. They give you the flexibility to finish this class whenever you feel like. You're encouraged, right, to finish as quickly as you can, but because they understand that people have different responsibilities and different things going on, you're given the flexibility to finish your class whenever you want to do it. There are different modules, and these modules are taught by industry experts, certified industry experts, where you are taught step by step. Okay, when I mean step by step, I'm not telling you like high level, they just run through the process. No. You are taught step by step on each application and things that you need to do. So before we go ahead, I'll just walk you through the different classes that's been offered in the Online Makeup Academy. There are 3 classes. One is the beginner class, which is a level 1, and you have the level 2, which is for the advanced, and you also have, I'll say a level 3, or that would be for like experts. So for level 1, you're from the one I chose, right, you're taught like the full package on how to sanitize your kits. Did I mention also that you're actually giving an actual industry certificate given by Omaka, spelled OMACA. Again, your tutors or your instructors are actually certified industry experts that are actually teaching you what they have learned over the years. A lot of them, they have done really high level makeup. They're teaching you everything they have learned over the years. They're literally just giving it to you on the palm of your hands, and they're teaching you step by step. They will literally hold your hands and teach you how to apply liquid eyeliner, how to wear your blush. They teach you the nitty-gritty of makeup, and they teach you the business side of things as well. Also, you're given a lifetime access. This blew my mind. So for example, if I choose to come back, say I've forgotten a particular technique that I was taught, and I choose to come back, say 5 years time, I will have my access to log in and still understand what I was taught, because these pre-recorded videos are attached to the link that you send, your sign up link. Okay, like I said, a lifetime access to all of the classes, all of the modules. That's so interesting. You also have individual mentorship. What I mean by that, first of all, what blew my mind was my first welcome video. It was very personal, actually speaking to someone in the same room. That's the individual mentorship, and you're given the opportunity to actually submit assignments. So after every look, like the one I have right now is a makeup no makeup look that I learned in one of the modules, right? At the end of the module, you're actually given an assignment So I have to create a makeup no makeup look, transit it to like an evening look, and actually to a dramatic look. I need to take pictures and submit, and you actually have a one-on-one response, a video telling you, okay, this is what you did right, this is what you should improve on. You know, they're very, very interactive, and it's so interesting, and you feel very comfortable interacting with your tutors. And after every lesson, if you scroll down on the video, there's a part where you can leave comments. So there are times when I don't understand like why they did the technique. I usually would ask a question, and the time that they take to respond to me is less than 24 hours, guys. Like, for me, that's a real-time interaction. Ask any questions. I remember when I was learning this makeup no makeup look, I realized that they didn't line the bottom line. So I was wondering why, because normally when I'm doing my makeup, I line both up and bottom. So I left a question asking why it wasn't lined, and my tutor responded and said it doesn't give the natural look, you know, you're trying to actually achieve. And that made so much sense. Like, wearing my makeup today, I now understand, and it feels so light. The technique they teach you, it's so realistic, you know, it's so realistic. Also, the goal of Online Makeup Academy is to make students actually stand out by themselves in the industry professionally. You're not just going to be a makeup artist that, you know, you just go and start your job, but you're going to distinguish yourself based off of the techniques that you have learned in this particular class. It's so nice. Like, you're gonna be a professional. See me, I'm already speaking like a professional. I've just done like the first makeup, you know, the makeup lesson, and I'm already feeling very confident. I never knew how to do the makeup no makeup, but I'm proud of what I've done. Again, it might not be perfect, but again, that's why there's a one-on-one interaction. So I'm gonna send this look over to my instructor, and they're gonna tell me, okay, what I need to improve on, and give me their feedback, which is actually very interesting. Moving forward with the class, I knew there were different face shapes. As funny as that sound, they teach you all of the different types of face shapes, the different kind of skin tone, the different kind of skin texture. They teach you how to contour, because initially I thought it was just one way to contour, one way to highlight. No, because there are diverse face shapes, there are diverse eye shapes. Okay, you need to follow different techniques when you're working with the different face shapes, the different eye shapes, and how to contour and how to achieve various looks. Okay, if you're starting off with your kit, you're advised what to actually get, so you don't just go into the market and just randomly, you know, just buy several makeup and have so many makeup products in your kit that you're not actually using. So they teach you, you know, how to have a startup makeup kit. Once you finish up with this class, or finish up with your school, with the whole program, you're giving your certificate by Omaka. You're actually given some discount cards, and you're told the process on how to, you know, get discounts from some high-end brands of makeup. I think it's about 40%. I'm not sure. I'm going to confirm that and leave that in the description box. So the perks of actually taking this particular course is endless. I'm just going to recap what I have said. You have a lifetime access to the class. You have the flexibility to do this class anywhere, anytime, and at your own pace. You have the flexibility to pay over the course of 12 months if you want to do that. Okay, so there are different perks why you should take this course. You're taught bridal hair, you're taught how to sanitize your kit, you're taught how to use the different applications, you're taught how to use the disposable brush. Another thing that was emphasized here is how to limit using your hands on your client. You're encouraged to get disposable brushes. You're not actually application brushes, you know, the small spoolie, right? You're encouraged to get the disposable ones. You're encouraged to get the disposable applicator for like lipstick, so you don't keep using the same one for every client. You're taught how to get like disposable sponges. You're taught a whole lot of tips and tricks in the industry, because I understand that the makeup artistry you require your client to actually trust you. And another thing that I learned so much is before you apply any product on your client, you need to find out if they're allergic to any ingredient at all. That's very important, because you don't want a situation where you're applying makeup and the client starts to break out, for example. So it's a complete package for me, and I'm really impressed and I'm thankful that I'm actually going through this course. I can't wait to finish up and get my certificate. For me, taking this class right now is for my own personal consumption, but since I started taking the class, I'm actually looking critically into maybe going into makeup artistry, maybe into film, or maybe into, you know, like photo shoot. Like if someone has a photo shoot, I could do their makeup. So I'm trying to think of the different side of the business I might want to go through, but I'm really excited that I took this class. Again, please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer all your questions. Feel free to let me know your thoughts, and if you have enrolled in this program, what are your thoughts? These are my honest reviews. So, but the only con I would say when taking this class is not a con in my opinion, is that there's some steps that the instructor actually, you know, will do. For me, it's not relevant. For example, you know, the instructor should actually, after doing the eye look, right, they could actually take their brush, dab it into an eyeshadow, dust it off, and just, you know, swipe it on the eye and tell you, oh, that completes the look. Personally, the look that they had before was completed. So the next step that it took for me did not add or remove anything, you know. But of course, they are professionals. They want to ensure that they are going step by step without omitting any part at all. So I completely understand, okay? And the good thing is that you can actually modify if you want. Personally, for my lip, okay, though this is nude, if I'm actually going to go out, I would actually line my lip very, very, very lightly, okay, to give my lip a little bit of definition. So yes, for me, this course is a win-win. I encourage you to take it. Again, my discount code will be left in the description box and also on the screen, so you can get $100 off if you choose to sign up, of course. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and remember to stay blessed and of course stay stylish. Take care, guys. Bye.